Good morning to everyone. I am Cadet today. I am studying in 8th standard in Science School Bijapur. Today I want to make a tractor with using the match boxes. First I will tell you how to make a tractor. To make a tractor we require 3 match boxes, 2 pair of wheels, 1 plaster, 2 matchsticks and 1 focal gum. With using these 5 things we can make a tractor. Let's start to do. First I will take out the match boxes. Then I will take another matchbox and I will take this pot I take and I will apply some focal gum. And I will take and first I will make hole here. I am using to make hole with scissor. I am making a hole. See, I made a hole. Then I will take one matchstick and I will apply to this hole. I applied. I will fix the here only. Now I will apply the wheels to this. And See here, my tractor is ready. Then I will show you here one magic. I will take some load and I will put that load into that trolley. I am taking some carom coins to load it, and I am not touching anything, just to only I am touching the bottom of this, and see, I am touching and I am pressing that, but also that trolley is getting up. See how it is, because I gave the connection to this matchsticks, so it is lifting. Also, this balanced thing also used in some cars and some lorries. This thing is mainly used in the JCBs. Thank you.